Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie Rodriguez. I'm one of the doctors at Providence, Milwaukee. Today we are at the Community Teaching Kitchen and I'll be showing you how to make one of my favorite recipes, cauliflower ceviche. First, let's set up our mise en place, which is a French culinary term that means putting in place. That simply means getting everything prepped and ready before we start assembling our dish. First, let's start with the cucumber. Peel it, remove the seeds, and dice it into small pieces. Set that aside. Next, finely dice half of a medium red onion and half of a small jicama. The jicama is optional, but we highly recommend it for a nice crunch. Now, chop half of a head of a cauliflower and dice one large tomato. Finally, slice up 3 avocados and roughly chop half a cup of fresh cilantro leaves. With all of our ingredients prepared, let's cook the cauliflower. Steam it for 5 minutes, then immediately transfer it to an ice bath to stop the cooking. Once it's cooled, feel free to finely dice it until it resembles rice, or you can leave it in small florets. Now, let's bring it all together. In a large mixing bowl, add the diced cauliflower, cucumber, red onion, jicama, and tomato. Then, pour in 5 tablespoons of lime juice and season with 1 teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and cayenne pepper to taste. Give everything a good mix, then cover and refrigerate for 2 hours to let the flavors melt. When you're ready to serve, scoop the ceviche onto a tortilla and top it with sliced avocado. You can also add a dollop of your favorite sour cream or a drizzle of hot sauce for an extra kick. This dish isn't just delicious, it's packed with fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and a variety of nutrient-rich, non-starchy vegetables. And that's it. I can't wait for you to try this with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and cooking along with us. Until next time, bye.